Hello everyone. So welcome to today's class. So for your class 10 today's, so I'm going to solve the exercise 3.1 of pair of linear equation in two variables. So you all of you know what is linear equation and what is the category, whether it is one variable or it is two variable. So for your curriculum class 10 Ncert textbook, it is exercise 3.1, which is pair of linear equation in two variable. So this chapter is totally on two variables. So two variables means whether it is xy, ab or pq, xy or pq or AB, etc. So for exercise 3.1, your Ncert textbook, chapter is on linear equation in two variables. So here it is pair of linear equation. So same meaning, two variables. So in exercise 3.1, so questions are dealt with only formation of linear equation. So you have to just form the linear equations in the questions, in the given questions, and these are all two variables. That means you have to use two variables. It may be xy, pq, ab, etc. Two variables. So let us go to the first question directly. So question number 1. So question number 1, after tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were. Also 3 times from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. So there are two conditions. So by these two conditions you have to form the linear equations. So there are two conditions. So there will be two equations. So two equations. So let us first let age of after, that is father, is suppose x it is years, and age of daughter is suppose y years. Let the age of after, that is father, x years, and age of daughter y years. So according to question, first condition is 7 years ago. So 7 years ago father age will be x minus 7. X minus 7. So it is 7 times is equal to 7 times of daughter age. That is 7 years ago daughter age will be y minus 7. Just simplify this. X minus 7, 7y minus 49. More simplify, 42 is equal to 0. So first equation is x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. So first linear equation. Second condition, 3 years from now, that means after 3 years. After 3 years father's age will be, second equation, x plus 3 is equal to thrice times as old you will be. Thrice times 3 times x plus y plus y plus 3. After 3 years, father age will be x plus 3 and daughter age will be y plus 3. So according to question, father age is 3 times. So x plus 3 is equal to 3 into y plus 3, implies after simplification 3y plus 9. So more simplify, x minus thrice y minus 6 is equal to 0. These are the two linear equations. So we are forming these two linear equations, x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0 and x minus thrice y minus 6 is equal to 0. These are two linear equations in two variables x and y. So for this chapter you have to just form the linear equations. You need not to solve the linear equations. So in the rest of the chapters, next chapters, so we will discuss the methods of solving these two equations. That means we can find the values of unknown value x and y. So unknown value or variable value x and y's value can be determined by various methods in next chapters. And this x and y unknown values will be the required answers, that is father is, daughter is, etc. So I think this is clear. So let us go to question number 2. So question number 2, the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically. So let us price of or cost of one bat is equal to rupees x and cost of one ball is equal to rupees y. Let the cost of one bat is equal to rupees x and cost of one ball is equal to rupees y. So according to question, so first condition is 3 bats and 6 balls. So price of one bat is equal to x. So price of 3 bats will be 3 into x, that is 3x plus 6 ball. So one ball costs y. So 6 ball costs 6y, and on right hand side will be 3900. So here 3 is common in all the 3 terms. So x plus 2y is equal to 1300. It is first equation. So it is first equation for the first condition. And second condition, she buys another bet, that means only one bet, x plus 3 more balls, that is 3 balls. One ball costs rupees y, so 3 ball costs 3y is equal to 1300. So this both the algebraical representation of the question. So x plus 2y is equal to 1300 and x plus 3y is equal to 1300. These are the two pair of linear equations involving x and y. So this need not to be solved here, you just only represent this equation. Question number 3, last question. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Represent the situation algebraically. So let cost of 1 kg apple is suppose rupees x and cost of 1 kg grape rupees y. Cost of 1 kg apple rupees x and cost of 1 kg grape rupees y. So according to question, according to question, 2 kg apple plus 1 kg grape, 2 kg, it is 2x plus 1 kg grape, so plus y is equal to 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg apple, that is 4 into x plus 2 kg grape, 2 into y is equal to 300 rupees. 300. 4 kg apple and 2 kg grapes. So one more step to simplify. 2x plus y is equal to 2x plus y is equal to 150. So these are the two equations. So these are the two linear equations. So for the two conditions. Okay, so this chapter is finished here. So on next chapter, that is exercise 3.2. So this type of linear equations involving two variables x and y, or p or q or a or b, involving two equations, two variables, and two equations will be solved by various methods. So this will be discussed on the rest of the chapters. So till then, you practice the question, and we'll go to discuss the various methods how to solve this type of equations by elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication method, etc. So we close this chapter here. Thank you.